Alright guys, so quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Chrome settings on Android. So if at the end of this you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the Chrome browser. Click on the three dots at the top right. Locate and click on settings. Now under settings, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to privacy and security and then click on that. Under privacy and security, locate and click on delete browsing data. Then here you have access to different kinds of browsing data you can delete. You can delete the browsing history, cookies and site data, cache, tabs. So if you want to close your tabs, then set password, autofills, and site settings. So go ahead and select whatever you want to clear here. Click on delete data. Once you click on delete data, you see the data delete for the last hour. However, go ahead and click on the time range and then select your time range. So here, since you want to reset the Chrome settings on your Android, click on all time and then click on delete data. Then once you click on delete, you should see deleted and then you are good. And then again, go to your Android phone settings, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Then you want to scroll down until you get to Chrome. So just scroll down to Chrome, click on it. On the Chrome page, scroll down, locate and click on storage. And once you click on that, just go ahead and click on cache and delete it. So once you clear your cache on your Chrome, then you are good. So that's exactly how to reset Chrome settings on Android to default. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.